I'm obviously fluent in Welsh and English, but I feel happier speaking Welsh. I'm passionate about the language and I want to keep our culture alive. I've got an example of when I went shopping over the weekend recently. I went to Lidl and I went to Aldi as well. Big companies, nationwide companies, and they both had messages over the tannoy, bilingually in Welsh and English, but actually one of the shops introduced the information in Welsh first. Well, I got quite excited and I decided then and there I'm more likely to shop in the one that used the Welsh language first, because I felt they showed respect to the local area and the language of the